And now I show you how to use the Adobe Media Encoder to export many formats. For example, you can export as a MPEG-1 for VCD, MPEG-2 to DVD. You can export QuickTime, export View Media, export Window Media, or you can export as a Flash movie. Okay, here I show you export QuickTime using the Media Encoder and many format View Media. This is the same thing. You turn on the text icon here and you can set it whatever as you want, like this. And you can go to here and open up the Adobe Media Encoder. This is a very powerful encoder, so you can export movie, video, audio in here. So we can expand all the size in here. For the video, for the exporting, we have in here the source, export output. If you want to check the video, you can check it here, and you can make it fit so you can see the entire clip in here. And here this option, and here for the export format, export settings and format in here. Using the Adobe Media Encoder, you can export as a MPEG-1, and you can export MPEG-1 for VCD. You can export as a MPEG-2 and export as a MPEG-2 for DVD, MPEG-2 for VCD, like this. This MPEG MPG movie file, so you can export it. And in here you can export as a Macromedia Flash Video or Adobe Flash Video now. And you can export as QuickTime, as a View Media, as a Window Media, so you can export the format from here. Another one I will select as the MPEG-1, so I export the sequence as the MPEG-1 and range entire sequence or from the whatever bar. You can select in here. The preset in here, they have like this, the NTSC 1, PAL1, so you can select the preset here. And also you can change the setting. Of course, you know that the setting here you can change it. And here you can export the video and export the audio. Like this, you export the video only. If you want, you can export the audio only, like this. So you select the video and audio as a movie file. And summary, that the summary in here you can check it. How about the setting? You can check it. And the setting you can change it from here. Like this one, the MPEG-1, I want to export it and I can put it on the internet, so that keeping the file size small and better quality as possible. So MPEG-1 entire sequence, as I changed here, they make it as consumer setting. If you want, you can select the preset from here, NTSC PAL. Like my project is NTSC, so I can select the NTSC, and then I can change the setting here. Like the setting here, before I show you the setting on here, I show you the option in here. Like this one, from the source, that means the source can be the sequence or can be the movie file from, you select it from the source panel or from the project panel, the source. In here I select it from my sequence, so the source is from my sequence in here. So you can check the sequence, the source sequence here, so you can check the 100% how about the source image quality in here. Like this is the interlay footage here, 100%. You can move it, change it. Here the source size, output size as I select in here NTSC. This is the output size. They show me output size 352 by 240, like this. The output size, source size in here, the project sequence source size, output size in here. If you change it, they show you in here the number. And here this is the title from the sequence. You can change it, check it, and here fit, so you can see 100%. That's you can see all the frame in here from the source. And they have the viewing area, you know, that's the same as you move it in the source panel or project panel. And here they check it. How about here? And here the source, here you have the crop, so that means you can crop. You click it, you can only export only portion of the sequence on the image from here, so you can move it, change it, Like this, you export from here, from only, like you see my cursor, only the size from 426 by 263 pixel. So you can export only this portion from the sequence. Like this, you can change that, keeping the aspect ratio or not keeping the aspect ratio. If you want to keep in the aspect ratio 4:3, so aspect ratio keeping on here. How you change it? Keeping the aspect ratio, or from 16:9, export only the portion from here. Or if you want none, that means you can change it freely. Change the pixel, change the free aspect ratio like this. You change it. And here this you can crop the left harmony. Here you can put the number here 150. So you crop it 150 from the left, from the top 100, and from the right here, for example 200, from the button 200 like this. So they will use this portion to export the video. Okay, I put it 16:9. I will export the center position here. I will make it as a wide screen like this. So you can export only this portion from the source, the sequence here for the exporting. And here what they have, switch to the output here. That means you click here. Why they put an icon here? Okay, no problem. Here this is the output. This output effect on here, like this, the NTSC standard 4:3 like this. So they have a red bar in the top and button here. So if you not crop it, they entire and plug the red bar in here. They keep the aspect ratio, pixel aspect for the conversion for the NTSC and MPEG-1 NTSC. So they have here. That's no problem. If you want to remove them, you can crop it. You can crop. How about this? Okay, that means you can move in here, little bit here. Here you can make it scale to fit here. Scale to fit. How about here? They have the red bar on the top and bottom. Still something. So you can make it, adjust them. Here you see, it's better to remove the red, so they scale to fit the entire frame here. How about not scale to fit it? They crop it in here. Here you see, that's ugly. You can scale it. Okay, we do not crop it here. Black bar on the top button, I don't care. That's okay. And here the integrated footage. Let's check it here 100%. Yeah, here you cannot see. Let's check another one. For example, QuickTime movie. QuickTime movie. Okay, make another one like this. Check about this. Okay, here. Yeah. Standard one like this. Here we talk about the interpolated footage. Like this, they have config effect on here. So when you deinterrogate, they make a clean image. That means they remove the upper field, in this case in NTSC, and duplicate the lower field to make the full frame here. Like this. So this is much better if you display this video in a computer or even in a digital TV screen. It's better to deinterrogate. Or it's a standard TV screen, you can leave it as interlayer video like this. This is the effect. And here they have the option here. How about they display here one by one here, or simulate as the preview in a computer, in a TV screen, like this simulation here. So you can make it. How they look like in here, in this way. This just for viewing, how they view it in a computer screen, in a TV screen, the image in here. Okay, this is the option in here, input output here. Okay, we start talking about the format here. You can export as an MPEG-1, and the setting you can make it in here, of course. Of course, if you want, I make an entire sequence, or you can crop it only the portion. I don't talk about here. You can select from here. Like this, I can select only the portion. Just for the example, quickly make it only this portion. I'll export as MPEG-1, so they have here and here. This is the NTSC, because they have this not a wide screen, standard screen, so they have a black bar on top and button here. And here we have MPEG-G, entire sequence, and NTSC 1, video, audio both, and filter. You can add a noise and video noise reduction, a filter on here to remove the noise from the video in here. The more you make it, they remove more, but the image will appear full like this. And also they take a lot of processing when you're exporting on it. If they have no problem, you don't need to apply the filter, the noise reduction filter on it, so it's much faster for rendering. And if they have too many noise, so you can apply an effect on it and adjust the parameter, how many you want to make it in here. That's the entire export, the sequence for the filter. In here, I just remove it and check it. I don't want to apply the filter on here, noise reduction filter. And here's for the video exporting and audio exporting. If you uncheck the audio, they have no option in here. Same thing for the video. Here for the video setting, they have in here the codec main concept MPEG video. This is the codec for the MPEG. You can check it. And here for the quality, of course, it's better to put it as high as possible. If you lower the quality, well, speed up the exporting, but the quality is lower, so it's better to keep it as high as possible. Even you have to put the computer running it for 2 days long, so you get a best quality, better quality. And here for the TV standard NTSC or PAL, if you want to change it like that, in here PAL. And here for the phase wide pixel, high wide pixel, I just use it, the small one here. That's the standard as a VCD size. In here we have, you can change the wide and high in here. And here frame rate, you can change that. Drop frame rate, no drop. Okay. Field order, this is a progress scan. That's mean deintegrated. Like this in here, you don't need to make it as deintegrate video. You just make it as progress scan. And pixel aspect ratio 1.095, like this. NTSC for the pixel aspect ratio. If you want, you can change it, of course. You can make it as a square pixel like this, so you can make it. So how they appear on here for the output. So that's the default NTSC like this. And you keeping balance the quality, the frame size, and in here. So that's the way. And compression is all about balance the quality and the file size and the format you choose from. And bit rate encoding, this CBR, that means constant bit rate. And here the VBR, variable bit rate, 1 pass or 2 pass. That means they can encode 2 times to make the video, or they encode 1 time to make the video, or constant to make the video 1 pass. And here the bit rate you can make it here. The higher the bit rate, the better quality, but the bigger file size you know get. it balances the quality and the file size from here. All the setting from here. The frame size and bitrate here. Frame rate like this. Balance the quality and the file size. And frame like this. This depends on the what kind of the content on the sequence is the fast moving. So you can select how many is here in here. So you can balance and check it one by one. I cannot show you what number is good for this or for that. So this depends on the sequence, and you can check it to. So this is the equal number from here. If you make it A, so there's a few options. They make it A 16, 24. This is the equal divide from this. So they make it like this 3 and make it 15. Okay, equal divide. So you can the between on this. Close the group or picture every 0 frame or every how many frame you can check it here. But for the default, I just leave here. Automatical GB placement, the group or picture. That's sometimes they can call keyframe or whatever iframe like that. I show you more about when I talk about encoding a media. And here the method advanced setting, you can check it. And some of the settings you can leave on here as the default. And some of the settings not easy to understand, but as the default in here is generally quality is good. So you keep it, or if you want to check it, how they change it, how about the setting here, you can make it here. That's up to you. And here for the audio you can encode as a MPEG audio or as a PCM. PCM is uncompressed wave audio. You can select here like this. So you can make it here uncompressed, so they have no compressor, no coder. PCM audio, that's uncompressed audio. You can make a channel, output channel, make it as a mono or stereo, depending on the sequence. If your sequence is a mono, you cannot make it stereo. The output always mono, even if you select as stereo. And if your sequence is stereo, make it all mono. They have echo channel. When the output, you hear it on a stereo speaker as a mono. So a stereo sequence, I make it output as stereo. And here sample size 16-bit, frequency 48 kHz or 96 kHz. This quality always the higher quality, the higher file size in here. 48 kHz in general is DV, mini DV audio quality. I keep it here. Okay, here the multiplex, how they multiplex the audio and video, make it into a single file. So you can select here MPEG, VCD, M2 like this. This is the option you can select from. But for the MPEG-1, so you can select this depend on the output format. You can select from here and make it here. And constant bitrate or variable, that's the depend on the content on the sequence. And the constant, that means they just keep a bitrate constantly, don't change it, no matter how about the changing or the video and audio. And like this the setting, you can check it, change it, or leave as default, make it like that. And the other here, the FTP file transfer protocol, so you can put the server name here, port number, remote directory, user login, and password. That's mean in here when you finish exporting the like this MPEG-1 this file, they can send it to an internet, send it to a FTP server. So you can put the FTP server information in here. So when you finish exporting, they will send it to the FTP server, like your web page. So you can put it on there when they finish the exporting. And the testing, when you put the FTP name, the number on by name, or the remote directory login password, you can check it. Of course, I cannot check it because I have no server name here, server number, or login name here. And when finish the exporting, I don't want to send it to my server, to my FTP server. I just leave it blank or uncheck it. If you want, of course, you can send the export file to your FTP server. If you don't get the server name, login, use password like this, you can put in here. Check it. The log file here. The log file here, they can show you if they have some error for exporting, running, setting, rendering frame time, how long to run it. So they made a log file in your computer, so you can open it as a test file, so you can check it. But I don't want to make any file like this. When they finish, I check it. Is the quality good? The file size is good? I use here. If not, I go back here and change the setting for the video and audio here to export it again and check it again and again for the balance about the quality and the file size. That's the way you do encoding for video or movie. Here this is MPEG-1, and for the MPEG-1 VCD, this is the standard. So this is the setting. You are better to not change it. For the VCD, they have two options. That's the NTSC high quality and PAL high quality. Of course, you select the high quality, and I don't think so you will select the medium quality. If you want to just testing, so you can set the medium quality so they export faster. But for the if you want to burn a VCD, a video CD, so you can select NTSC or PAL high quality in here, and you no change the setting here. Any setting here, you are better to keep it here. Only if you want, you can select only the portion and whatever in here. Make it in here, keeping in here. Select export as NTSC VCD high quality or PAL VCD high quality, and don't change the setting here, because once you change the setting, maybe they are not compatible for standard VCD encoding, so you cannot play it in a VCD player or DVD player sometime. And just keep it here. That's very easy. I don't explain too much on here. And for the MPEG-2, that's the option is same thing as the MPEG-1 in here, but they have some option in here. There are more options in here. That's the option. Like this, the filter, you make filter and video in the main concept is the video codec for the MPEG-2 quality here. You can change the NTSC or PAL. The frame width, like this in here. This high definition, of course. Like this, it's a standard definition. You make it for nothing. You make it, and here they have the option NTSC like this. I can select from the preset here. So this is the preset NTSC, like this standard definition TV, mini DV video. This is the frame size and NTSC, and here frame rate, field order, lower field first or upper field first, or make as a progress scan. You know how to make it as NTSC, lower field first, of course. Pixel aspect ratio here, like this one. This is a standard video 0.9. Make it here, or you change it, but you change it, it's not good. They appear not good on here. And the profit, main profit or high profit, like this, you can check it. But for the standard, it's better to keep it main profile like this in here. Level, main level, like this. You don't need to change here, but if you want, you can check it. How about the effect here. And I will not explain what's the difference from here to here. Even then, I am not really sure about the setting here. But for the most of that, I just keep in the default in here. And here for the bitrate, so you can encode it as a constant bitrate like this. You can set the bitrate. Don't forget, if you export as for DVD or VCD like this, so you can export it, make it whatever. The higher the bitrate in here, the better the quality, but the bigger file size. So you can balance the quality and the file size from here. Of course, from the frame size in here, frame rate, and etc. And phase, so in here you can check it. Here the advanced setting in here. You just as here default. It's better to make it if you don't know it. And for the audio, you can encode as the Adobe Digital in here. So they have in here, you see trial, they have QuickTime by default. In here they have QuickTime, let you try encode as the Adobe Digital file format AC3 format, so you can use that. In here, if you want, you can keep it as an MPG or PCM format like that. PCM, that's the uncompressed audio. It's good quality but bigger file size, especially when you do balance for the audio, the quality and the file size when you export it, but as the DVD disc or VCD disc, so you have to balance. It's good to make it Adobe Digital or MPEG-1 like this, so you can make the quality balance then like the MPEG-1 layer 1 or MPEG layer 2. That's good for this. Better to keep layer 2 in here for the audio. Audio stereo, join stereo, that's they join the combine it, mix it and make it as stereo. That's another way called mono. Dual channel mode, or if you have a dual channel mode, that means you can keeping the left and right channel. Single channel, that means a mono here, and then you combine two channels together like that. But like this, if you are stereo, keep it in stereo here. Sample size 16-bit, you cannot change here. Frequency, you can change in here 48 or 44.1 kHz for the as the audio CD quality. Here you can select it. This always balance the quality and the file size. And bitrate, for the bitrate for the audio, you can select a higher bitrate, the better quality but the bigger file size. In the most case, in the MP3 audio, they put it as a 128 bitrate, but you can get a better quality from here. And here for the advanced setting, you can check it. I will not explain it here. Multiplex, that means they combine the audio and video together into a single file. You can use the setting here. MPEG-2, so you can use MPEG-2 or DVD, so make it constant variable setting here. Other something, if you want to export it, when you export the setting, you can send it to a FTP server. You can make it here. That's the setting. And here you can export as a MPEG-2 DVD video. You can select a preset in here like this. I can select this one and I can change the setting here. The setting is almost the same like the MPEG-2 in here, but this one they keeping on the some aspect ratio in here, free size in here. You cannot change here like this. And here the standard, or here you can change here. Of course, this is the setting. You know that this is the same as in here, but this is the compliant DVD format for the MPEG-2, so you can make it some of the setting balance about the quality and file size to fit on a DVD disc here. And here multiplex, you can make it as a single file or separate video and audio to as a single file, so you can import into a DVD ordering application, so you can make a DVD disc from this file. And here you can export as a MPEG-2 as a super VCD, so you can make it. There's some setting from here you can select from. That's about the quality and file size. And make sure how about the frame size and frame rate here, and the duration about your project. That you balance about the quality for the file size to fit on a super VCD, VCD and a DVD disc. So how about the quality and the file size, so you can balance and check it to fit on a CD and DVD disc like this. And here, if you want, you can export as a macromedia flash movie like this here. So they have the option here, you can select. So the video compression like this, the free size. Audio compression, you can choose the compression from here. Also the advanced settings, so you can make it here. how you check it. One by one you can check how about the quality and the file size. I will not expand too much on here. And multiplex other FTP like that, okay. And here QuickTime, you can use Adobe Media Encoder, export a QuickTime movie from here. So the settings in here is almost the same. The filter, video, the setting here, free size, spatial quality, you make it 100%. You don't mind for about the encoding speed. Here the coders, that's for the QuickTime coders in here. But for the video, you are better to keep a song video. This I suggest you to use this for the video, or if you want your better quality, you keep it uncompressed or uncompressed, like uncompressed here. When you use this one, they will maximum quality, but the high file size on that. And if you want, you can use the song video tree compressor, so you can configure the setting from here to make balance the quality and the file size here. The setting here, okay. I hope so okay. If not, you have to go back and follow me and test it or ask me question or try out how to make it. It's the coders affiliate. You can make another affiliate video, but for most time you just keep it. You don't need to export two version, make into a single file and put into a QuickTime server. That's the way. If you know how about QuickTime server and use and you can make into affiliate version from the QuickTime. Here this FTP, okay. I hope so. A view media, you can set a preset from here and change the setting. Preset here, change the setting here. All the same setting, almost the same. And how about here window media, that's the same, so you can make it one by one here.